Hello there. I am going to talk a little bit about how to write a counterclaim stoplight paragraph for your argumentative essay. So take a look in your argumentative writing packet. You are going to open it to that page with the hook'em, the counterclaim, and the conclusion. So open this packet to this page, please. And you should have identified a counterclaim. So this was just your draft. This was just keep this in mind as you're researching. And now we are going to flesh this out a little bit more. So the back page should have a something that looks like this. And I'm going to talk you through that. I'm going to pull up this on the big screen over here. So under this green box, I want you to think of a counterclaim. This should just be from your argumentative writing packet that you have already identified. Here are two sentence stems that are not in your packet but will be useful. So think about maybe starting it out with one of these two. You can come up with your own as well. Just make sure it's obvious to me, please. So I'm going to say, some might say, pets can, and I don't need quotes. What am I doing? Might say pets can be unreasonably expensive if you do not have a lot of money, right? Good point. And it's a valid argument. Now, something that argument would say is going to be looking up some different costs of pets. And your task here is to tell me more about the counterclaim and give a piece of evidence for the other perspective. So this is thinking outside of your opinion, thinking of the other opinion for just a minute. So I did some research on, well, PetSmart too, but PetMD, which is a website that is vet written and vet reviewed, so it's credible. And it was saying, so I'm going to say, according to PetMD, it can cost $20 to purchase a turtle, and up to, this is crazy, you guys, $350 for the proper aquarium. Did not know it was that expensive, which is why research is important. Okay, owners should be prepared to spend at least $10 on turtle pellets as well. So their food's also kind of expensive. That's what the other side would say, right? Some might say pets can be unreasonably expensive if you do not have a lot of money. According to WebMD, it can cost $20 to purchase a turtle and up to $350 for the proper aquarium. If you do not have a lot of money, not a wise investment. But the beauty of turtles is that they have a pretty diverse diet. So I'm going to say, however, consider the diet, oh my goodness, of turtles. This is my yellow section. Slow down. How will you address this evidence? How am I going to respond to the cost of owning turtles? However, consider the diet. Now, this is my evidence. Yes, you may want to buy turtle pellets, but turtles are omnivores. They can eat crickets and leafy greens as well, which are cheaper and easier to find. Okay, you can just go to your grocery store, pick up some kale, and that's a leafy green. You can also find, especially in the summer, crickets you don't have to buy necessarily. And even if you do buy, they can be found for pretty cheap on the internet. I've done my research. I did look that up. So this is what your expectation is for your counterclaim paragraph. Then you are going to take this section, this section, this section, and this section, and you're going to make a sandwich. This is your counterclaim body paragraph. So this is going to come after body 1, body 2, body 3. You're going to have your counterclaim and then your conclusion. As always, let me know if you have any questions.